Hey everyone, this is Mahima and welcome back to my channel My Way. So for today, I'm gonna be recreating, basically I'm just trying to recreate Kylie Jenner's makeup look. So if you're wondering which makeup look, this is the makeup look which I'm trying to recreate. It's her holiday makeup look which she created like last year 2019. Last year 2019 November, where she launched her makeup collection, like a holiday makeup collection. So recently one of you DM me on Insta to recreate this look. So Himani Sharma, I guess I'm right with the name. She DM'd me to recreate this makeup look, and here's my take on this recreation. So if you're interested in knowing how I got this look, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. So to start with, I'm gonna take a clean brush and I'm gonna take this shadow from this fantasy palette, and we're gonna apply this all over our crease. Just use swiping motion and circular motion like this. Once you've applied the orange crease, if you see the picture, वहाँ पर ज़्यादा red use हुआ है, and हल्का सा ऊपर आपके इस area में आपको orange shadow दिखेगी. So that's what we are doing. So now I'm taking another fluffy brush and I'm gonna take the red shadow from this palette, and I'm gonna apply this onto my crease, and मैं side by side इसे blend भी कर रही हूँ. So once everything is nicely blended, I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm gonna take a brown shadow from this palette, maroonish one, and I'm just gonna apply this onto my crease. So now we're gonna make sure everything is nicely blended. Like so. So once everything is nicely blended, we're gonna cut the crease, and that's which is the main thing in this tutorial. So for cut crease, all you need is a liquid concealer and you need a flat and like a flat brush, ताकि आपकी concealer आप आराम से उसे cut crease कर सके. So we're gonna take the concealer and मैं थोड़ा सा अपने mirror पे लगा देती हूँ. I am clumsy. Just slowly I'm gonna apply it. So थोड़ा सा नीचे लगा के आप पूरा ऊपर ऐसे देखें, and you can see यहाँ पर एक line आ जाएगी, and that's what we want. अब हम इसे draw करेंगे. So I'm gonna take this shade from this palette and I'm gonna apply it onto my lids. So now whatsoever is left on the brush which we have used for the red color, मैं इससे अपने जैसे हम एक विंग ड्रॉ करते हैं, बस वैसे ही मैं इस पर रफली ऐसे ड्रॉ करूँगी, like so. So as you can see in the picture, there is a wing at the outer corner, and for that I'm going to use this Maybelline Color Jolt in Vamp Red, and this is now available on Nykaa. Earlier I thought कि discontinue हो गया, but नहीं हुआ. It's available on Nykaa. So yep. So हम outer corner में ही wing draw करेंगे, like so, and और बहुत लाइटली मैंने इस एरिया में भी अप्लाई करा है, बट मेन फोकस शुड बी आउट द आउटर कॉर्नर्स. सो या, so this is pretty much the eye makeup. So now we're gonna move to the base. I've moisturized and primed my face. Now I'm gonna directly move to a foundation, and I'm using this L'Oreal Paris 24-hour foundation. I love this foundation, so that's what I'm gonna use. Blend this using my generic brush. So once my foundation is all blended, I'm gonna take this Swiss Beauty concealer. Like, I like to use this concealer a lot. It's a very nice concealer and also very affordable. So I'm gonna apply it. And also I'm gonna apply it onto my this area, because We all know Kylie, she has like a very chiseled face. My face is bit of a aloo, so I'm gonna now blend it with using my Blue Heaven makeup sponge, and this is a really nice product, like a really nice product. Also, you can further suggest me any such makeup look. You can DM me on Insta. You can also let me know in the comment section. So जब आप DM करते हो या जब आप कोई सजेस्ट करते हो, मैं उस चीज़ का स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेती हूँ ताकि मुझे याद रहे वो चीज़. And that's pretty much it. You can just let me know whatever you want. Also, I want to share something. If you guys DM me on Insta, or if you guys do any sort of like request, kindly also help like me as a creator, me as a YouTuber to grow. See, I have some people who DM me on Insta and they are not even following me, and I feel so bad. Like, I always reply, I always help, but I also need some sort of help in at the same place. So the light went off and I was having like this face without even baking or without even setting my face from half an hour now. So now that my concealer is nicely set, I believe. So now I'm gonna take this LA Pro Conceal in Toast to contour this face. I'm gonna take a small brush for that. So I'm just gonna apply the contour this contour on my forehead, on my cheekbone. Gonna define my jawline and bit on my nose. Now I'm gonna blend it using the same sponge. And now and you can see how big my mirror is. So I'm gonna go very blend the product. So now you can see it looks like I have chiseled cheeks, though I don't have a very chubby face. Now everything is nicely applied. Now I'm gonna take my Fit Me powder and I'm just gonna apply the powder on the areas where I've applied the concealer. So I'm gonna nicely apply it. I'm gonna look up. If you could see her face, it looks really matte, like really matte. I'm gonna keep everything like this for a minute. Now I'm gonna do my under eye makeup. So for that, I'm gonna take the same palette. It wasn't visible on any pic. How was her under eyes? So I'm gonna do in my way. So I'm gonna take the same red shade and I'm gonna apply it onto my waterline. I'm not gonna take everything to my inner corner. मैं सब कुछ पूरे आगे तक नहीं लेके जाऊंगी, मैं बस इस एरिया तक ही इसे अप्लाई करूंगी. I'm gonna take the same brown, like maroon shade, so to intensify it. So I just went ahead and applied this Pro Art 003 lashes. So if you could see in her picture, her lashes are not that visible. So I've applied a very lightweight lashes. Also, I'm going to apply this white kajal. So it wasn't visible that there was any white kajal or not. So I'm just going to apply some to open up my eyes. I'm going to take the brush that we used to blend our foundation, that generic brush. And I'm going to just push all the powder on my face. And I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Mega Protein Mascara to curl my lashes, both upper and lower. You could see in the picture her face is really bronzed, so I'm going to take my Glam Bronze from L'Oreal and I'm going to bronze my face. Like really well. So now I'm going to take the same palette that I used for my eyes. I'm going to take this red color from this palette and I'm going to lightly apply it on my cheeks. just to give like a hint of color. So in her picture I couldn't see any highlighter, but I'm gonna take the same palette and I'm gonna take this shade from this palette and I'm gonna very lightly gonna apply it only here, just to give like a within sort of a glow. Very lightly I've applied the Seven Heaven lip liner. I'm gonna go ahead with the same lipstick and I'm gonna apply it onto my lips. As you can see, I've just applied it all over my lips and thoda sa maine upar bhi lagaya just to give that pouty lips. So this is the finished look. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like these kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below, and for more such videos, stay tuned. Bye. Mwah.